All right, what's up guys? I'm gonna try to document this sign build for A2 phone repair. Over here, we've got the channel letters for the outside of the sign, for the outside of the building actually. These are the backers and the faces. I'm gonna do some printing, laminate everything, get that ready for Ryan. Interior sign, building sign. We'll see what's next. All right, here's the HP Latex printing the faces for the indoor and exterior sign. These will be printed and then laminated and then applied to the faces. So I ended up using 3/16 acrylic here. All right, so while I'm waiting for that to print and laminate, I am taking off the protective backing paper off the acrylic panels. You want to let them degas a bit before you laminate them. So I'm going to show you how I do this. Usually this backing paper comes off in like a million different little pieces. You do it this way, it comes off in one nice roll. This one's a little odd shape, but wherever you got a leading edge, just stick it to the roll. Just like that. Slide the garbage off. Perfect. All right, guys, little trick I picked up from Jonathan Medford on YouTube, Small Town Ink. If you have protective paper on your acrylic, ACM board, or any type of substrate, take a little piece of rod or tube and then simply roll your backing paper onto it and it comes off just that easily. Cool trick. Over here, I've also got the building letters applied. So these are applied to acrylic, and I'm gonna have Ryan build the trim caps and return form. So that's on deck too. All right, so yeah, that's the update.